What are you passionate about? Maybe it's horseback riding or skiing. You can own a ranch, but that's really a next level goal, isn't it? My passion, my oldest daughter and I are competitive shooters, and we shoot all over the world, and we've seen phenomenal ranges, but I wanted to build my own. That's why Olympus exists. This is a dream that I'm fulfilling. When I bought road signs with all of my daughters and my wife Shelly's names on them, I'm not sure what they thought. Will it really happen? Is it ever going to come to fruition? To me, that was the $1 million check that Jim Carrey wrote to himself. I knew that those signs would end up on our own land in the middle of nowhere. Lots of people are out of space in their garage, and I get that. I built this shop table because I need the space. I consider myself fortunate because I grew up, whether I liked it or not, building things with my dad, who was a contractor. Now I'm bringing that skill set to our property. Today, in one day, I built what is going to be the outdoor shower and bathroom and rain catchment. It's about 500 yards that way on our 107 acres. Everything that we build with our own hands at Olympus is going to be high roller, top of the line, completely insane, off the hook. This, you'll never imagine what it is. Go into the comments and tell me what you think I've built here. And make sure you follow our journey as we build the Olympus private shooting facility. Oddly, the money that people talk about when they do off-grid or when they build something, it seems they're always on a very small budget, and there's nothing wrong with that. Here, we are sparing no expense. So if you want to come along for that ride, buckle up. How long you been farming?
Long time.
Hey, you're messing up my logs. Well, we made it about 1/8 of the way into the property, cutting a new road in. I chop them and Shelly moves them. Good woman's hard to find. Need some biscuits and gravy and whiskey.
Steak.
Steak. This is where the cow path is. The cows walk through. I don't know why I said it like that. This is where we're gonna be panning for gold. I can't tell you how it feels to walk around on our 107 acres and say, that's my rock, that's my tree, that is my mountain. It's overwhelming, to be honest. 1,000 years from now, everything that we build here will either be an artifact or it will be in the ground, or perhaps the next generation of D'Angelos will pick up the torch and make it last forever. I don't talk much about feelings, but doing this thing and having you along for the journey makes me feel a certain way. I hope it does you. Your dreams can be fulfilled.
This is my family's property, otherwise known as Olympus. It is 107 acres, and right now we are just starting to build, and right now we only have a couple of pistol bays. My dad just built this cool little rifle shooting platform. We have some long-range rifle targets set up now. We're gonna build cabins on here and shooting ranges, and we can finally do what we want and explode what we want. We can do whatever we want on this property, and I mean whatever we want.
Get it in the air.